In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Meet for everyone, a surefire way to make your meetings more accessible and inclusive. Whether you're organizing a team meeting, a virtual classroom, or even a webinar, Google Meet has become an indispensable tool for communication. And in just about 5 minutes, you'll be fully equipped to get your meeting up and running, open to all participants. Let's dive straight in. First off, navigate to the Google Meet website. It's important to start here because Google Meet integrates seamlessly with the Google ecosystem, making it a straightforward starting point for setting up your meeting. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account. This could be your personal account, a dedicated business account, or even a school account if you're part of an educational institution. Once you're signed in, you'll notice a new meeting button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your first step toward creating an open meeting where participants can join without much hassle. Next, you're going to want to start your meeting instantly. To do this, click on Start an Instant Meeting. This action creates a meeting room right away, without the need to schedule in advance or send out calendar invites. It's perfect for those impromptu meetings or discussions that need to happen now. Once your meeting is up and running, it's time to ensure it's open for everyone. Look for the host controls in your meeting window. This is where you, as the host, can adjust the settings to control how participants interact in the meeting. Now for the pivotal moment. In the host controls, you'll find an option for Meeting Access Type. Click on Open. This setting removes the barriers, allowing participants to join without needing to knock or wait for approval. It's a fantastic way to facilitate open discussions, workshops, or public forums where you want to encourage free participation. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set your Google Meet to be open for everyone. Remember, while this setting is great for inclusivity, it's also essential to manage your meeting's security. Keep an eye on who joins, and don't hesitate to use the host controls to mute, remove, or manage participants as needed. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always double check your meeting link before sharing it broadly, and encourage participants to check their audio and video settings before joining to ensure everyone can participate fully. There you have it, a simple, straightforward guide to opening your Google Meet sessions for everyone. It's all about making connections smoother and ensuring that everyone can contribute. So go ahead, start your open meeting today and see how it transforms your virtual gatherings. Thank you for watching.